Hindi, kayo dalawa. Oo. Di ba, hindi biro dapat ang nag-host nito, matitindi rin, physical, di ba? But you guys are both physical, medyo athletic naman kayo, di ba? Hindi.
Yes. Baka yes.
Baka yes, ano?
Yes!
Kwento mo paano, how did you get to host the show, Alex and Robbie?
Paano ba? Miniting po ako ni Sir Riley tsaka ni na Ate Ruth, tapos pinakita yung show. Tapos...
Talagang ganun lang, ano? Present, ikaw mag-host. Wala man lang paano. O ito, nasasaluhin ka na ng
Hindi ko
BUH.
alam kung paano napunta sa amin.
Ano naman, si Robbie and Alec has been hosting The Voice. It's about time that bigyan na naman natin ng break itong dalawang to. Ito, sarili na nilang show. So, we're confident naman that these two hosts are the next bankable host of ABS-CBN. Yeah.
Robbie, would you like to react to that na nile-level up na kayo to be the new generation of male and female hosts?
May pressure, syempre, on our part, pero we are just super honored.
Ginag-tweet ko sa'yo, di ba? I've been telling you na talaga mag-level up ka na as a host talaga, Robbie.
Sobrang natutuwa po kami, dalawa ni Pards, kasi tagal po namin naghintay rin for this opportunity. And 2 days ago, we talked about it, and talagang hindi lang po namin gagawin itong stepping stone, but we will try to, we will own this whole program para ipakita kung ano yung kaya namin ibigay. And just to add to kung ano man yung kailangan nyo expect, kasi yung mga acts po na darating po dito sa I Can Do That, 40 years na po ginagawa, iba 5 years.
Wow!
Basta bihasang-bihasan na sila dito. And we are here not to show na kayang gawin po namin to kasi ang training na ibinibigay po namin is 1 week. Pero
for an act?
For an act. Para i-rehearse ang ating I-candidates. Para i-practice at gawin dito mismo sa I Can Do That stage. But we're not after the fact na, yung 40 years na yan, kayang gawin namin ng 1 week. Kasi imposible po talaga. But we are here to show that we are so dedicated and passionate about our crafts and to show our kapamilyas na hindi po biro yung ginagawa nila. And ang daming puso, ang daming storya po na pwede nating makuha mula sa ating mga mentors.
Wow. So yung act, the first act, nagawa